and the governors will work closely together to achieve our goals. Your additional duties include serving on the governing board, strategic planning, and any other special assignments that the president may assign you. And you know that happens frequently. Each of you have been elected by your peers, which is an honor in itself. You will benefit from this experience because it will cause you to grow both personally and professionally. Most important, you will benefit too. In your new role, you will be identified as members of the Women's Council of Realtors California State Leadership Team, dedicated to the best interest of the public and the welfare of your members. Are you ready? Then raise your right hand. If you accept all these responsibilities of your position, please answer, I am ready.
I am ready.
One more time, a little louder, please.
I am ready.
I love it. By virtue of the authority conferred upon me, I declare each of you duly installed in your office. And ladies and gentlemen, I present to you Women's Council of Realtors California 2015 District Vice Presidents.